My name is John Schweitzer, and I'm the CEO of Pasadena Health Center. I have been involved in this clinic for over 12 years. We care about our community because many of our staff live in this community, they attend schools in this community, and we want to give back to our community. We want our community to feel like that we're more than just a clinic.
Caring, quality health care is the core of what we're about, and people see that, and they recognize it, and they come back.
I live here in Pasadena. I also grew up here in Pasadena. I have a daughter that attends Pasadena High School. I feel that it's my duty as being a resident of Pasadena to give back to the community.
I feel it's really important and it's a great thing that Pasadena Health Center is able to give back to the community.
I found out about the Pasadena Health Center through the Bridge Over Troubled Waters about 5 years ago. I was a resident there. They came out.
And I called 211. 211 recommended that I go to Pasadena Health Center.
I like that we can be seen quickly. I haven't ever had any problems getting in to see the doctors when we've had a problem. The staff is really great. The nurses, they're just great. They're very personable.
Awesome, awesome. I had a male nurse who came in and he was so helpful.
And they're kind. My son has a chronic medical condition. Oh, the doctors are fabulous. They're really great diagnosticians, and they found things that are really out of the ordinary that I wouldn't expect.
Some blood pressure issues, a little bit of cholesterol, and diabetic. I have diabetes. And so she wrote several prescriptions for me, and I seem to be doing quite a bit better.
They have been excellent, excellent, excellent. I can't say enough good things about them.
I know Pasadena Health Center truly cares about giving back to the community. They go above and beyond most any facility to make sure that the community's needs are met. Backpacks, donations, anything that they can do, they're always going to make sure that it gets done.
Pasadena Health Center is an invaluable resource for the Pasadena School District because we can pick up the phone and call. The health center is going to do everything in their power to see that those students are taken care of.
I'm Jeremy Jackson, athletic trainer here at Pasadena High School. We are doing our mass CPR training. Mass means over 700 kids are being trained today in CPR and life-saving skills. Last May we had a kid go down on the track, coaches called. We went out there, we performed life-saving skills, rescue breath, CPR. I told John, hey, I want to try and do CPR training. He's like, well, here, let me donate about 100 mannequins so you can do that. So you can train all those kids. Pasadena Health Center donating mannequins and prizes and all this other stuff.
Healthy Living Matters Pasadena aims to curb childhood obesity in the city of Pasadena through policy and environmental change. We have been working here for about 2.5 years now with various community stakeholders, all with the main goal to make healthy eating more accessible and physical activity more of an opportunity for the residents here in Pasadena. So what Pasadena Health Center has been able to provide us is key information about the health conditions that Pasadena residents face and what are some of the strategies that can help us to improve those health conditions. Pasadena Health Center has actually been involved with Healthy Living Matters prior to us coming into Pasadena, and since being in Pasadena they've been heavily involved in the work that we do. Mr. Schweitzer and Mr. Rafael Martinez sit on our community task force and they come to our regular monthly meetings, and they have provided invaluable feedback to the work that we do.
The SHAC is the School Health Advisory Council, which is a committee in the district which is made up of parents, district staff, community partners that really oversee the wellness policy and coordinated school efforts in the district.
The SHAC program is an affiliation that the Pasadena Healthcare Center has with the Pasadena School District that helps to gear and plan programs within our school district that are health related to be sure that our students are being connected with the right resources, teaching nutrition and exercise and that kind of the things in life that will every day help them to be more productive and healthy people.
John has been just a huge contributor to our School Health Advisory Council. So when new items come down from the legislation, such as the the oral health, being asked to add that into our campuses, our elementary campuses, he stepped up and offered a resource and a video to help us meet that mandate and that item. And so he is just always there as a resource and support for our school district.
Highlighting that dental hygiene is extremely important to overall health. I know we've talked about it before in our PE classes. We do cover the health tics, but when you have something like the film that's very user-friendly, very easy to understand, it comes with the curriculum, it's something that many of the kids do not have exposure to good dental hygiene or even understand. It isn't about your teeth being straight and white. It's about the fact that they have a very important function, and you need to take care of them because it impacts so many other things in your body. We've worked on a project called the Build Project, which is going to help with an indoor gardening and perhaps give people who may not have had access to fruits and vegetables that access.
Any city and any community, the lifeblood of that community is those that give back in any way that they find that's their passion. This is our passion, to give back to our community so that they can be as healthy as they can be, that their children can be as healthy as they can be, but there is an educational component to that. So we find that to be very important, especially in the community that we serve.
The Pasadena community needs quality health care, and I am proud that we can provide it here at Pasadena Health Center.
I am very proud to work for Pasadena Health Center. To be a member of Pasadena Health Center, it's awesome, and to be a resident of Pasadena, I really appreciate places like Pasadena Health Center that come and give back to the community.
We're able to receive all the services that we need right here in one central location.
Everything was done here, the blood work, everything was really good.
I was able to get my prescriptions filled there. I didn't have to go every place, and that was a blessing for me. And so I was just too thankful that they had the pharmacies right there in the facility.
Our patients really like this pharmacy, and they really like our pricing.
The services are affordable, and I truly think they cater to my needs.
I was very pleased with their attitude toward me. They were nice.
I like to instruct my patients how to take their medications because it's very important for them so that they can live longer lives with their families.
Well, I was surprised. I was bringing my son here. He was going to be the patient that came here, and then I was so impressed with the service that I started coming here myself. So yes, I would say that I would recommend it for friends, family, and whoever I came across that was looking for a doctor, yes.
Pasadena Health Center would not be here had it not been for community involvement. We have had people from the mayor's office involved with our clinic. We have had doctors from area clinics to come and help us. And we have had a lot of help from our community. Our goal is to give back to our community, and our goal is to help the people in our community. We want you to feel like when you come here, you're getting the best care possible.